When we step beneath the vast, inky expanse of the night sky, a peculiar sensation often washes over us. It is not merely the sight of distant stars, but the profound absence of familiar terrestrial reference points that disorients our perception of scale. Our brains constantly anchor our size and position by comparing ourselves to objects like buildings, trees, or distant horizons, which define our immediate spatial reality. Under the unfettered cosmos, these known anchors vanish, leaving an overwhelming void where our usual sense of place simply dissolves. The true sensation of smallness stems from this perceptual void rather than just the number of visible celestial bodies. It's the profound emptiness between the stars, not the stars themselves, that truly dwarfs us. Our brains are fundamentally wired to interpret size and distance through relative comparison, a mechanism known as size constancy. We intuitively gauge the enormity of a distant mountain because we see smaller trees and houses nestled against its base, providing crucial scale markers. Without these intermediate objects, without any known reference close by to ground our perspective, our cognitive systems struggle to anchor the scale of anything we observe. This effect is evident even in daylight. A high-flying airplane, despite its massive physical dimensions, appears remarkably tiny against the undifferentiated blue of the boundless sky. At night, that critical lack of terrestrial framework becomes absolute, removing even the diffuse atmospheric haze that provides subtle cues for depth. This results in a raw, unmediated experience of vastness where our usual spatial metrics cease to function. The brain, deprived of its usual tools, defaults to perceiving everything as immeasurably distant and, consequently, ourselves as immeasurably small. Every single star or galaxy we perceive in the night sky is not a live broadcast of the present, but a frozen echo from the past. Its light, traveling at a finite speed, has journeyed across incomprehensible distances and immense stretches of time to finally reach our eyes. The photons from some truly distant galaxies began their voyage billions of years ago, a cosmic antiquity preceding the very formation of Earth itself. Consequently, when we gaze upwards, we are essentially looking into a sprawling cosmic time capsule, a simultaneous display of past eras from across the universe. This inherent temporal displacement, realizing the light from two seemingly adjacent stars might have left them epochs apart, adds a profound conceptual vastness. It effectively renders our immediate now on Earth infinitesimally small against the backdrop of cosmic history, intensifying the feeling of personal insignificance. Beyond mere physical scale, the night sky presents a profound philosophical void. It acts as a vast, silent canvas devoid of any discernible human-centric purpose or pattern, unlike the intricately interconnected terrestrial world we inhabit. This cosmic indifference, the unsettling realization that the universe operates entirely independent of our existence, concerns, or aspirations, can evoke a deep sense of existential insignificance. Our minds inherently seek meaning and strive to impose order on chaos, consistently attempting to connect dots and form narratives. However, the unyielding, impartial expanse of the night sky steadfastly resists this fundamental human instinct. It represents the ultimate antithesis to our ingrained anthropocentric biases, stripping away any perceived centrality and leaving us with an acute, undeniable awareness of our transient, minuscule presence within its immensity. For millennia, humanity gazed upon the night sky, populating its profound mysteries with a pantheon of gods, monstrous entities, and predetermined destinies. This deep-seated cultural memory, the ancient awe, and the primal terror evoked by the inscrutable celestial dome still resonate powerfully within our collective unconscious. Even with the astonishing clarity provided by modern scientific understanding and advanced telescopes, the emotional echo of a sky once seen as a divine, all-powerful realm persists. Therefore, it is not solely the raw, observable facts of astronomy that contribute to our feeling of smallness. Instead, it is also the inherited psychological weight of countless generations who, without our instruments, intuitively grasped the overwhelming disparity between their fleeting lives and the seemingly eternal, utterly indifferent cosmos. This shared ancestral experience continually reinforces our profound sense of humble insignificance.